sprayer. If not, just pause the video, go back and watch it again. So here what we are doing is checking whether the battery in the machine is connected properly or not. Just ensure that the red wire is connected to the red wire terminal and the black to the black terminal. And this is the strap which you use to put the sprayer on your back. As it is shown, you fasten it that way and ensure that you have it properly on your back because it will be heavy. This is the instrument panel. That is the red one switch is the direct off and on switch for the motor. Here is the regulator switch which controls the water pressure flow from low, medium to high. Inside the spare parts packet you will find this cap and put it on the regulator like so. Beside the regulator is the charging port. A charger comes with the sprayer. It's a standard port, so there shouldn't be any difficulties in understanding. And this you will also find in the spare parts packet. This is basically a lance holder. So whenever you are not using the machine or you need to fasten the lance somewhere, you put it like so. Now what we'll show you is how to fit this rocker handle to the manual portion of the sprayer. So inside the spare parts packet, take out the U-nut, the metal washer and a split pin. So at the bottom of the rocker rod you will see that there is a hole. So the U-nut, there's a piston type thing on the U-nut, so that portion goes inside the hole. So what you need to do is open this cap at the bottom of the sprayer, and that hole needs to be aligned to the middle portion of the gapping there. Firstly, insert the small rod to the side of the rocker bar. Then you put the washer and the split pin like so. Once it is fastened, then you put one of your fingers inside and feel for the hole so that it is aligned to the center portion of the gapping there. Once you are satisfied that the hole is at the center, again if you want to use a torch, you can use a torch. You'll see that the hole is in the middle. Now just use two of your fingers, the thumb and the index finger, and try to push the U-nut so that it clips into place. There will be a clipping noise which will ensure that the clip has properly been put. Put the cap back in place. Now the manual portion, the manual system of the machine is ready also. So here you will get all the accessories which are there provided. This is the single hole nozzle, this is the 4-hole mist nozzle, this is the double nozzle, and that is the flat fan nozzle. This is the 8-hole mist blower nozzle. Now we'll show you the spraying portion of the machine. So now we are going to do the battery spraying part. Just insert the hose like so to the bottom and ensure that you hand tighten it. Do not tighten it too much, just as much as it will go. Now what we'll have to do is insert the lance. But before you insert the lance, this is also a telescopic lance, so you can extend it or retract it to normal size, whichever is suitable. As I was saying, before you insert the lance, just ensure that the O-ring washers are there on both sides of the lance. If it is not there, extra washers are provided in the spare parts packet. Fasten the lance like so and use any of the provided nozzles and fasten it to the other end of the lance. Again, you have to hand tighten it everything. Do not use a plus or a range or anything of that sort to tighten. And before that, before you are finally ready to spray, ensure that the water filter is there before you pour in the water. Once the desired amount of water and chemical is put, tighten the lid and also tighten the areas or the nuts which is shown here so that there is no leakage of water. Once you are satisfied, then push the red off and on switch, push on the trigger handle and the water will start spraying. The trigger has also a trigger lock system. You can use the trigger lock system like so. Now what we'll do is show you how the manual spraying works. First of all, open the top cap, secure cap from the barrel, top of barrel. Ensure that there is no water in the hose. Open the hose from the bottom part or the motor section, battery section of the sprayer and fix it to the top of the barrel. And before that, ensure that you put back the cap which you took out from the top to the bottom and secure it in place. This is to ensure there is no leakage from the motor. Put the hose like so and tighten it properly. Then you use the rocker handle to pump in air to the barrel like so. Depending on the capacity of water inside the sprayer, anything between 5 pumps to 15 pumps should be enough. Once the air has been fully pumped, just repeat the same process of pushing the trigger and the water will start flowing. Hope this helps. Thank you.